Hey you guys, so today we're gonna go to Burlington Coat Factory to see if we can find any Tarte cosmetics. You guys, this is my third attempt, so I'm like seriously hoping today will be the day. I am in Atlanta, so I'm hoping that also increases my chances. BTW, if you guys have never seen this face before, hey you guys, my name is Hana Belle and I love to create come shopping with me videos where I bring you guys along with me to my favorite beauty and fashion related stores. So if that is your jam, I hope you guys join the family. Press the subscribe button down below and tap that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright you guys, we made it. Burlington Coat Factory. Is third time a charm? Is it? Alright you guys, I'm in and now I have to find where the beauty or makeup section is. What if they don't even have a beauty section? I haven't been to this Burlington Coat Factory location, so I seriously don't know. So I think I might have found it. Oh, yes, I think I did. Okay, we found the beauty section. Let me first show you what I'm seeing and then we'll look through everything. Alright, so this is all I see. Okay, we got some BB, Covergirl, Physicians Formula, more BB. Let's look. Ooh, if you have not watched my full face using Covergirl's new spring makeup collection, I will link it in the corner above. Alright, so here's more BB makeup. Let's see, Physicians Formula. Ooh, is this, oh yeah, the balm. Okay, I feel like we're getting warm here. We see more Physicians Formula. We have some e.l.f. DK, I guess that's some perfume or cologne. Alright, so I don't know if we're having the best of luck in this container. Let's look at these other sections because I do see more makeup. Alright, so here's another section. Let's look. I think I just hit the brush and accessories section. There's a bunch of brushes. Ooh, what is this? This is from Paris Hilton. It's the iridescent glow stick. That's cool. This was originally $7.99 and that's only $3.99. Here's some Ardell. Here's some BB Rainbow Glow Highlighter. Ooh, just curious how much. This was originally $10 and that's only $4.99. Ooh, do you guys remember seeing this at TJMAXX? The little fish brush. I'm in the next makeup section. This is definitely more organized Burlington Coat Factory than the one back home. So here's some Physicians Formula. It's their bronzer. And this was originally $8, now it's only $3.99. Oh my gosh, you guys. I really like this packaging. It kind of reminds me of the Ipsy glam bag, right? Okay, what else? Ooh, here's some Laura Geller. It's the Get Ready and Go palette. And this was originally $22, I'm guessing. I can't see the first number, but now it is only $14.99. Okay, let's look behind stuff. Oh, this is from Profusion. It's a Glamour Bar Bronzer and Luminizer palette. Doesn't this look like the Chocolate Bar Too Faced palette? And this was originally $10 and now it's only $5.99. And then we've seen this before. It's a Pure Quick Pro Portables 2-piece on-the-go highlighter and contour palette. And this was originally $14 and now it's only $6.99. Oh, here's the Balm palette. It's called Meet Matte Adore. It's an eyeshadow palette. Look at all the colors. This is what you get inside. And it was originally $35 and now it's only $12.99. Alright, let's keep looking for some Tarte cosmetics. Okay, here's some hair stuff. Hair irons, brushes, exfoliating bath gloves. Okay. Definitely not makeup at all, but we're still looking. Okay, here's possibly the last makeup section. Let's look. Please, oh please, I just want one Tarte Cosmetics product. Okay, so here's some tweezers, nail clippers, more tweezers, some hair shavers. Alright, we are not in the right section right now. Ooh, here's some e.l.f., OPI, more Physicians Formula, BB. Ooh, what's this from Physicians Formula? This is the Super BB All-in-One Beauty Balm. Could this product be a dupe for Honest Beauty's balm? I see some similarities. This was originally $9 and now it's only $3.99. Whoa, BB, you outdid yourself. This kit comes with 5 nude liquid lipsticks and 5 metallic liquid lipsticks. and it was originally $35 and that's only $12.99. Ooh, here's the clearance section for the makeup. Maybe we'll have better luck. Alright, what is this? Oh, this is a skincare product from L'Oreal. Okay, okay. Ooh, here's a bath bomb from Mariana and Dean. Let's keep looking. Alright, anyone going to prom anytime soon? Oh, here's... Wow. So here's a palette from BB. It's called Perfect Sunset. It's a face and eye sculpting palette. You guys look untouched and clean. If you love wearing natural eye looks, this is definitely your palette. Like, look at that. And this was originally $12, now it's only $6.99. Alright, we see a wallet. We see a BB mascara. This is really sad. What is this? Oh gosh. Oh, it's from Perfusion. No! More hair stuff. Ooh, I remember this. Some BB makeup brushes. Let's keep looking. Hi, what is this? This is a City Color Collection Where the Light Is highlighting sticks. You guys, how cute are the shapes of these sticks? And it's on clearance for only $3.99. Alright, shower caps, more wallets, a Capri Sun. Really? Really though? Wow, I remember we found this from City Color Collections at the Burlington Co-Factory near me. Alright, we're gonna keep looking. Anything here? Looks like a bunch of hair products. Yeah, you guys. Here's an eyeshadow palette that was obviously opened. Some hair stuff. Alright, skincare section. Maybe someone hid some stuff. Ooh, look, it's a simple makeup remover wipes. This was originally $7.99 and now it's only $3.99. Alright, I don't see anything. Let's look through one more time, but yeah. Alright, this poor box. Looks like it's been through some stuff. So here's more products from the Balm. Yeah, you guys, yeah, no. Here's BB, more mascara and eyeliner pencils. Ooh, I missed this. This is the Laura Geller Summer Goddess 4-piece collection. Originally $39 and now only $19.99. Oh my gosh, I see something. It's not Tarte Cosmetics, but it's something. Move over Physicians Formula because we just found Too Faced White Chocolate Chip Palette. You guys, this makes the whole trip worth it. Look, you guys, we found the Too Faced White Chocolate Chip Palette. And we found 2 of them. Alright, granted one is empty, but this one is definitely full. And how much is it? This was originally $26 and now it's only $19.99. Whoa, you're only saving $6? Oh well, nonetheless, I'm super excited that I found the Too Faced White Chocolate Chip Palette. Ooh, and last but not least, we found a palette from the Balm called In the Balm of Your Hand. And these are the shades that are inside. So cool. And this was originally $25 and that's only $10.99. Alright, let's look a little bit more, but you guys, I'm thinking Tarte Cosmetics is like not here. Are you right here? No. Oh, there's some BH Cosmetics, so. But still, you guys, I don't see anything. Alright, you guys, looking again, one last section. Yeah, this is clearly the accessories. Alright, you guys, well that concludes the video for today. We clearly did not find any Tarte Cosmetics. We tried though, you guys, we really tried. I am excited that we did find the Too Faced White Chocolate Chip Palette because I haven't seen that. I know a lot of you guys have found that, so I was so excited to actually see it for myself with my own eyes. Alright, you guys, well that concludes the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a good thumbs up if you did. I love you guys so much and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!